Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay via text message. First, ensure your Apple Cash card is set up in your wallet app. You will need to add a debit card to fund your Apple Cash balance or directly send money from it. This initial setup is crucial for seamless transactions, allowing you to send and receive funds effortlessly. Once your Apple Cash card is active, you are ready to start sending or requesting money with ease. To send money, open the Messages app and select the contact. Look for the small gray Apple Pay icon among the apps above your keyboard. Tap it, and a payment interface will appear where you can specify the amount you wish to send. After entering the sum, tap the Pay button. Finally, confirm the transaction using your chosen authentication method, such as Face ID or Touch ID, and the money will be sent instantly. Receiving money is straightforward. You will see a message notification. Simply open the conversation, and you will find an Accept button right there. Tap this button to receive the funds directly into your Apple Cash balance. This money can then be used for purchases using Apple Pay, sent to others, or transferred to your bank account. The process is quick, often completing in just a few seconds, making it incredibly convenient for immediate access to your funds. Security is paramount with Apple Pay. All transactions are encrypted, and your authentication ensures only you can approve payments. Be aware of the transaction limits. You can send a maximum of $10,000 in a single message. If you need to transfer funds to your bank, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days, though instant transfers are available for a small fee. Always double-check your recipient before confirming to ensure your money goes to the right person.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.